Hello dear, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. We're going to talk about inner peace, mind, body, and soul. Please subscribe and like this video. Once you're done, let's get started. Thank you for joining me today at this beautiful seaside. You'll spend around a few minutes with me in this heartwarming afternoon, enjoying the sunshine, the soothing sounds of sea waves. Before we begin, first you want to get yourself comfortable. You're gonna find a space without any disturb, and then you can sit down at a comfortable position, or you may lie down. Choose whatever you like, and then breathe. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. On the next breath, you're gonna slowly close your eyes, hearing the sounds of the sea. Imagine that you're sitting along the coast. The warm sunshine shining over you. You can feel the heat warming up your body, a slightly tingling feeling on your skin. Breathe in, breathe through, and finally breathe out. When you breathe in, open up your body. Let the air flow in through your nostrils. Your lungs full of fresh air. Then breathe through. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let the oxygen flow through every cell of your body, from the lung to the fingertips. And finally, breathe out by the mouth. You can make a sound like that. Once again, follow me. When you breathe out with you push out the negative energies out from your body, the emotions that no longer serve you. And when you breathe in, welcome the positive energies, love, gratitude, forgiveness, kindness, happiness. Once again, imagine you're exchanging the energies within you from negative to positive. Your body is filled with all love, and happiness. Give yourself a little smile. Try to feel the light peeking through your eyelids. When there's darkness, there is always a light. Try to listen. Listen to the voices of the passers-by, the waves, the breeze. Everyone is living a life, is lively. We are all a part of the nature, a part of the Mother Earth. Try to imagine the waves splashing over the sands, and soon they return back to the sea. There's always a balance, just like your emotions. They won't go too far. They won't go too shallow. Try to see the sunshine sprinkle over the sea surface, just like gold dust. Those are the blessings in life. Who do you want to share these blessings with? Partner, kids, friends, parents, or yourself? With gratitude, we slowly breathe, deep and long. Take these seconds to catch up with your inner feelings. Look into them, feel them. Now slowly come on up to your sensations. Move your fingers, make it a fist, and release. Once again, a fist and release. And now move your legs. There might be a little bit of stiffness here. Slowly wiggle your toes, shuffle your knees, move around until the stiffness all goes away. Now sit straight. One last deep breath. In and out. Thank you for joining me to spend this wonderful time with your inner self. I'll see you soon. Namaste. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Remember to hit the subscribe button and open for all notifications, and I'll see you next time. Adios.